Okay, this dryer was the first one we installed, and as you can see on the label, it's Dometic, and the soap drawer opens up just fine, and it has this control panel here, and then all this. This is a combination ventless dryer. Okay, so that's how it looks like inside. It's about how well they've worked for me. So with this washer dryer combo, after the first year I had to literally take the cover right here off of the dryer, totally dismantle and disassemble everything and clean out the inside, covered with lint. And the fan was the big part, because when the lint gets on the fan, it slows down the speed, and when the speed slows down, it shuts down. You get an error code right here. I think it's E3 alpha, Echo 3 alpha, I think is the right one. Anyways, yeah, and so that was a problem the first year. I took it apart, I fixed it, put it all back together, put it in, and then it happened the second year. But on top of that, the fan actually burnt out and didn't even last 2 years. And so I decided, because of the issues, and it's not a light machine either, it's pretty heavy, and so to pick it up over the track right there was a bear. I decided to just go get another dryer, because the wash machine still worked perfect for this one here. So I just put it all back together, simply only use it as a wash machine, and then we went and got this splendid dryer, this one right here, and right there's the sticker for it. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. Okay, so here's the controls, what they do, and so on and so forth. And then there's the timer and hot, low heat or high heat. Okay, and so it's big enough. Okay, so everyone's always asking, or you know, when I put in the washer and dryer, I lose closet space. Well, yeah, you do. You lose some hang-up closet space. And if your drawers are already full, then maybe you need to get creative and figure out what else you could do. So with me, I built this entire cabinet right here. And so what was hanging up is now folded up. And so right here, I made the doors and everything. Yeah, I got some military uniforms in here. And these hinges right here work perfect. See how it's holding the door up with no problem. And then I also have the latch right there. They're not coming open during travel. And so, yeah, I made this entire cabinet right here. And so, yeah, I need to organize it a little better. But that's it. So anyways, that's called being creative. You got to see what you have and figure it out. See what you can do to make it work. And that's that. That was our solution, or my solution, to where we're doing sheets and everything in here. And this one's just like in your house. You have the lint tray right there, and you have the safety on the door, so when you open the door it automatically shuts off, and it vents to the outside because I hooked it in for the ventilation. And yes, I drilled a hole through the outside wall of the RV, but as you'll see in the pictures, that it was actually labeled where to drill it, so I was pretty fortunate on that. And then yeah. And so this one down here by itself, this Dometic washer dryer in one, would take, oh, I'd say pretty much all day to do 1 or 2 loads. That's washing and drying, because you can't wash and dry at the same time. And so it's an hour on this, 2 hours on that. And so you're looking at about 6 hours, you know. And then once it started failing, the clothes wouldn't even dry. And so, yeah. And so what's the point in spending all that money for something that's not going to work? And so we turned around and bought this Splendid. Actually, I got a good deal. It was on sale at Camping World, and I had them ship it to us. I got it online, and that was a little hectic, but we got it. And now it's just like doing laundry in a sticks and bricks home. You got the wash machine and the dryer running simultaneously, and you can knock out some laundry. You can knock out, well, here's the basket. It's right here. We can knock out that whole basket in no time. And so that's that. That's all I got to say. So in my opinion, the washer and dryer non-vented 2-in-1 machine, that one right there, is not worth the money. However, to have this separate dryer right here, definitely worth the money. And it's only AC. It's not 220, it's 110, and it's not gas. And so it's only 110 AC, and it does a super job. Really pleased with it. We've had it for, I don't know, over a year now easily. And so we've had this wash machine down here. We've had that for about 5 years now. Well, then we had that dryer for about 3 years, because the second year on the 2-in-1 is when we decided to get the dryer. So yeah, 5 on that, 3 on this, and no problems, work great. And we full-time, and so it's not something that we only use once in a while. We use it on a regular basis. And so, okay, I hope that that helps you out a little bit, gives you some insight. And I had to literally, because my wife wanted to put carpet in here, the laundry door started falling off, and so I literally put upgraded tracks on, and I raised the door so it wouldn't have any problems. And also down at the bottom, right there where I'm pointing, from bringing the washer and dryer in and out, it tore up the wood there. So I replaced the wood with some oak, red oak, and re-screwed everything in. Now it's all good. Okay, so I hope that helps you make up your decision which one is better to get. And so personally, if it was me doing this for the first time, I'd get a separate washing machine, separate dryer. Splendid is a good brand. Okay, y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.